Welcome. Today I'm here to go over with you our initial tech setup for our Roblox program. So there are a few steps that we have to do before you can get started with us. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you're on a PC or a Mac because we're going to have to do some software downloads that require a PC or a Mac. So things like Chromebooks, iPads, tablets, they're not really going to work. So I'm going to ask that you make sure that you have one of those devices ready. So this is the Roblox website, and notice that when you get to the Roblox website, you have to create a username and a password. So this is something that you're going to have to do, create yourself a Roblox account. Now, when you set up your Roblox account, it's going to be asking you questions like your age. And when it asks you that, make sure that you put it in the actual age or the birth year of your child, just to make sure that all of the content they get will be age appropriate for them, specifically when we go in and we give them a little bit of homework where they have to start exploring the Roblox platform. The next thing that you're going to want to make sure that you have is Zoom. So here's zoom.us/download, and then you can actually click download depending on what you have, right? So if you click download for client meetings, right away it starts downloading. If you have a PC or a Mac, it'll automatically detect and give you that. So then you can go through the setup there. That will allow you access to our face-to-face meetings. The last thing that you're going to have to download and install here is Google Chrome. So I just Googled Google Chrome. Go to download, and you can download the Chrome browser. Most of you, I will assume, have the Chrome browser as it is, but in case you don't, let's just make sure that you have the Google Chrome browser installed. Now, once you have the Google Chrome browser installed, you can see that we're going to be using Google Classroom. Here's an example of my Google Classroom. Now, how do you go and access Google Classroom? Well, if you're in Google Chrome, you notice you have a picture up here, okay? That's going to say who is logged in. You have to make sure that you have your own personal Google account signed in. Now, once you do that, you will have access to a bunch of apps. And the apps that we use, specifically with Google, is Classroom. So you can click this little waffle icon. It says Google Apps, and navigate over to Google Classroom. Once you're in Google Classroom, you can hit the little plus button here, and this is create or join a class. From here, you click join class and enter in your class code. Now your class code is going to be sent to you once you register for a class, and it is in the welcome letter that you get. So you just type in the classroom code, and then you are set up and ready to go. So you can see there's only a few quick steps to go through in order to get yourself set up to take these courses. And if you have any other questions, we actually have course counselors on standby to give you a hand walking you through this if you have any issues. Not to mention your course instructor will be around to give some one-on-one if you are to need that extra as well. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time.